Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make an effective and pretty mood board with only 5 items. The first thing you'll need is an A3 piece of paper. The second thing you'll need are pictures from what you took that day. Third thing you'll need are plants. I got these plants from my garden, but you can get them anywhere and everywhere. The fourth thing you'll need is scrapbooking tape. Any colour will do. And the last thing you need is felt-tip pens or colouring pencils. Now that you got all your supplies, you want to plan your one out. Now I got it all there, I need to stick it down with my handy scrapbooking tape. Now that everything is stuck down, I'm going to write, "Keep it wild. Gone, Walthamstow wetlands here." Now that I've done the key elements down, I'm going to add some drawings on the sides. You can add stickers or whatever you would like. And that's it guys, it was a short and easy way to make a mood board without spending a lot of money and recycling and reusing stuff. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.